This is a demonstration of the EZ01 multi-use PCB. It's a development board or programming board or prototyping or destination board for the ESP01 Wi-Fi device. It allows easy upload of the code. You don't need to press any buttons or put it into programming mode. You can see in this instance I've got it attached to a level meter, a transducer distance meter, which I use as a water tank level meter. It's publishing the distance in millimeters and temperature in Fahrenheit to a Raspberry Pi based MQTT broker in the shed. It's connected via my access point. I'm going to upload a change in the code. It's publishing in Fahrenheit at the moment. I'd like to make that Celsius. So I'll just comment out this line and put this line in for Celsius. I will upload the code now. It'll compile the code from the Arduino IDE without touching the EZ01 board or the ESP01. It will reset it, put it into programming mode, upload the code, and restart the device when it's finished. Whilst it's doing that, the prototyping area has access to 5 volts from the USB or battery power if it's not plugged into USB. It has 3V3 from the regulator that powers the ESP01. It has, I think, 5 rows of prototyping pins, ground pins. It has facility for a terminal block to screw terminals for wires, and an isolated input via optocoupler. Gives you access to all of the GPIOs, the RX and TX, which I'm using now, the chip power down, the reset pin, programming pin if you need it. You don't in this instance. And you can see it now publishing temperature in Celsius.